Hello, internet fans. Do you want to learn about horror movies that you never knew existed? Do you miss the video store but not the late fees? Then join us at 3B Video, where we talk about stuff like this, and this, and this. And before we get into our overall thoughts of the films, first, we take a look at
Ryan Rogers! Splatter facts.
We have 2 disgruntled video store employees and 1 off-screen tech man. 0 you know, because YouTube won't let us show them. We have gratuitous dead body counting, obligatory pre-review skits, and we have way too many movies to talk about. So, if I have swayed you, click the link in the corner and join 3B Video today. Well, I suppose I should probably get going, because after all, there's a lot of movies out there. Somebody's got to watch them, so why not us, right? If you'll excuse me, I've got some videotapes to return. You like Huey Lewis in the news?